Service Ranger 4.13 Complete Diagnostic. For explained, Service Ranger 4.13 is a professional diagnostic solution designed for accurate and efficient engine troubleshooting. In this video, we will walk through the complete diagnostic ruling, showing how technicians can move from initial connection to final fault analysis with confidence. First, Service Ranger 4.13 allows fast and stable communication with the engine control module. Once connected, the software automatically identifies the system, ensuring compatibility and reducing setup time. Next, the diagnostic window begins with fault code reading. Service Ranger 4.13 provides clear fault descriptions, real-time status, and historical data, helping technicians understand not just the error but the root cause behind it. After fault detection, live data monitoring plays a critical role. With real-time parameter tracking, users can analyze engine behavior under different operating conditions, making diagnostic more precise and reliable. The suite continues with system tests and actuator controls. These built-in functions allow technicians to verify component performance without unnecessary disassembly, saving both time and effort. And finally, Service Ranger 4.13 supports detailed reports and structured diagnostic results. This ensures accurate repair decisions and consistent maintenance outcomes for professional workshops. Service Ranger 4.13 delivers a complete diagnostic with from fault detection to solution and built for efficiency, accuracy, and real-world service demands.